Welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about Google Ads success strategies for the UK market. Successfully leveraging Google Ads in the UK market requires a strategic approach that considers local nuances and user behavior. Here's a comprehensive guide outlining key strategies. *****. 1. Understand the UK audience. *****. To tailor your ads effectively, comprehend the UK market's demographics, interests, and cultural nuances. Consider regional variations in language and preferences, ensuring your ad content resonates with the target audience. ****2. Localization of keywords. ****. Use keywords relevant to the UK market. Localize your keyword strategy by including location-specific terms and phrases. This enhances the likelihood of your ads appearing in relevant search results and reaching the right audience. ***3. Ad copy and messaging. ****. Craft ad copy that aligns with UK cultural norms and preferences. Use British English, incorporate colloquialisms, and consider regional linguistic variations. Tailor your messaging to appeal to the specific values and interests of the UK audience. ***4. Optimize for mobile. ****. Given the widespread use of mobile devices in the UK, ensure your ads are mobile-friendly. Optimize landing pages for mobile users and consider mobile-specific ad formats to enhance user experience and increase conversions. ***5. Utilize ad extensions. ***. Take advantage of ad extensions to provide additional information and encourage user engagement. Site link extensions, location extensions, and callout extensions can enhance the visibility and appeal of your ads, potentially leading to higher click-through rates. ***6. Leverage geotargeting. ***. Refine your targeting by utilizing geotargeting options. Tailor your ads based on specific regions within the UK, ensuring your campaigns are relevant to local audiences. This precision can lead to improved ad performance and higher conversion rates. ***7. Monitor and adjust bid strategies. ***. Regularly monitor the performance of your ads and adjust bidding strategies accordingly. Consider factors like time of day, day of the week, and seasonality to optimize your bids for maximum effectiveness and cost efficiency. ***8. Advertise across platforms. ***. Expand your reach by utilizing various Google Ads platforms, including search, display, and YouTube. Diversifying your ad placements can help you Connect with a broader audience and reinforce your brand across different channels. Asterisk asterisk 9. Focus on quality score. Asterisk asterisk. Quality score is crucial for ad placement and cost. Effectiveness. Prioritize relevant ad copy, landing page quality, and keyword relevance too. Improve your quality score. This can positively impact ad rankings and reduce costs.
Asterisk asterisk 10. Utilize remarketing. Asterisk asterisk.
Ho, ho, ho!
Implement remarketing strategies to reconnect with users who have previously visited your website. Tailor your ads based on their behavior, encouraging them to return and complete desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. Asterisk asterisk 11. Stay compliant with regulations. Asterisk asterisk. Familiarize yourself with and adhere to UK advertising regulations and privacy laws. This includes compliance with GDPR General Data Protection Regulation. And ensuring that your ad content meets local standards to maintain trust and credibility. Asterisk asterisk 12. Regularly analyze and optimize. Asterisk asterisk. Implement a robust analytics system to track the performance of your campaigns. Regularly analyze data, identify trends, and optimize our strategies based on insights gained. Continuous refinement is key to long-term success in the dynamic digital advertising landscape. In conclusion, tailoring your Google Ads strategy for the UK market involves a combination of understanding the local audience, optimizing ad content, leveraging technology, and adhering to regional regulations. Regular monitoring and adjustments based on performance analytics will contribute to sustained success in reaching and engaging the UK target audience. Thanks for watching.